This is how I map my Apple Trackpad so I can use it in SketchUp to orbit and pan without using a mouse. This method does rely on using BetterTouchTool as a workaround. First, you need to assign a keyboard shortcut in SketchUp settings, which can be found by pressing the comma button or by going to settings and selecting shortcuts. I have assigned comma and Shift+P for orbit and pan control. Next, switch to BetterTouchTool's app. I have already created the pan gesture, so let's create the orbit. Click to create a new action. In the drop-down, select the two-finger gesture and select pinch in. Click the plus button to assign first action to selected trigger. From the list, choose Send Keyboard Shortcut. Type the comma key into the box and press enter. This should now work when SketchUp is open. Let's go back to SketchUp to try it. Great, you can see that pinching now works and triggers the shortcut as I am able to orbit by pinching on the screen. I already had the pan gesture configured. This is controlled by pinching out, and you can see that this is working too. The navigation is happening as expected, and this means I don't always need to carry a mouse with a scroll wheel when demoing SketchUp projects. And that is it. You just need to purchase BetterTouchTool. I believe a lifetime subscription to this is only $24, so well worth it. Plus, it can be used in many applications to map shortcuts and gestures.